Hey y'all, it's your girl Essie and I'm back with another video for you. Yo, mama. I'm doing a quick video of a taco mukbang, what you gonna call it. Ooh, excuse me. I've already devoured one taco. I was talking YouTube. I've already devoured one taco, you guys. Let's get to eating. Sorry, y'all, my taco is falling apart and do that. That would have been really hard for me to eat for y'all. PJ, can you stop running back and forth? Go chill out. And some tomatoes, y'all. Sorry, let me back up for y'all. And some salsa. As y'all see, got the medium here. Goodness. Homemade tacos, y'all. Better than Taco Bell. Very messy. Got some Kool-Aid in my cup. Let's see how juicy that taco is. How y'all doing though today? What y'all eat? Or what are y'all eating? I'm mad you guys can't see my taco. position for this camera and stuff. This is just like a quick little video for you guys. So if you guys are already subscribed, thank you so much. If you guys aren't, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all, and I love all my supporters, and I love you guys for your advice, and I love you guys for just commenting and having a ball and having a conversation with me. It means a lot to me because I don't have no friends where I am. Pretty much lame, but it's cool. So I'm a loner. I'm cool with that. I got this drink in my cup.
I mean, that's nosy.
But I ain't gonna be able to do a long video because my kids are acting crazy right now, you guys. So I'll see you on the next video.
Well, this is what you with these fucking water assassins.